Guys, magandang araw sa inyo. Welcome po sa $100 a day program po. Ito po ay legit na business. Sa halagang 1.36 US dollar, magkakaroon ka ng instant income na makikita mo daily once na merong mag-join under you. Okay, let's begin po. Actually, itong $100 per day is a program na one-time payment lang po. So, nababayaran mo lang is about 1.36 US dollar. But yung kita mo is more than sa ininvest mo na ganung amount. So, malaki yung return of investment ito. Every time na mayroong magsa-sign up sa'yo, meron ka agad na $1 a day. Na wag lang kalimutan na kapag ini-click mo ito, dapat lang po talagang magparehistro dahil sapagkat ngayon ay 1.36 lamang and itong price na ito will yung babayaran will increase. We don't know yet kung kailan. So grab the opportunity until hindi pa ito tataas. Sayang din yung opportunity na ito. Actually, ito is magandang business po ito. Actually, meron po akong mga payment. Ito yung proof of payment ko. Yan po. August 22 po, naka-receive ako ng $1. Yan po. Galing kay Charles Martin. Hindi ko alam kung taga saan. And then, yung July 26 po, naka-receive ulit ako ng $1.1 kay Zeta Kum. July 24, naka-receive ako ng $1 again kay Paybeater. And then, July 16, 1.36 $1 kay Abraham Jamel. Then, July 14, $1 again, Stefano. And then, marami pa ito, hindi ko lang na-post kasi hindi ko siya na-update. Pero, the rest, ito po yung kinita ko. Actually po, ito is like an ATM machine po. It is a virtual ATM machine po. Nakaanggandahan po nito is unlimited yung kita mo once marami ang magjo-join under your link. Then 100 verified payments yung marireceive mo. Imagine $1 per registration na marireceive mo, then 100 person yung magbabayad sa'yo daily. How imagine you earn $100 per day? And that's what exactly want a freedom of making money online. Kasi it is a people to people or alert to alert pay transfer of money po. Wala ka nang isa-set up. Just put your information and your PayPal account and your alert pay, and then the system will go beyond the the opportunity. Ito po is virtually autopilot, so straight into your PayPal accounts and alert pay account. So I hope na it will help sa inyo. Meron po kayong marireceive na mga e-book, mga digital products na makakatulong sa inyo. Don't forget po na ito po is hindi po ito this is not an affiliate program nor networking. It is a commission based program lang po. And then once you join po, hindi po ito refundable po. So no refunds po ito. So careful lang po sa binabasa. At the same time, kapag buy now, click na kayo, then make sure kapag naibayaran na, back to merchant para makuha na yung mga downloaded area sa website pong ito. Maraming salamat po at don't forget to click register para makasali, and don't wait na tataas pa yung presyo at dyan pa kayo sasali hanggat maliit pa yung $1.36 or sa peso yan is about 60 pesos I think. So maraming salamat and have a good day sa inyong lahat.